Hey, sister, I hear you're looking for love. I love it. At the end of the day, that's what we are, right? We're humans out here searching for love, to give it, to receive it, to have it, to be it. If you read Unapologetically enough, you will know that at its core, it really is a love story of how I fell more deeply in love with myself. And in the end, how I ended up manifesting my husband. And I didn't manifest him until I was 39. We got married when I was 42. And on September 13th, 2022, we're going to spend 2 hours together online, you and me, and probably a bunch of other women. And we're going to look at how we manifest love in our lives, go through exercises and soul contracts and new ways to look at how we can fall more deeply in love with ourselves so that we can manifest the soulmate relationship we're really craving. Because at the end of the day, while we are craving love and we're looking for love to give and to receive, the soulmate love, the stuff that sticks around, happens when we love ourselves at a soul level, and that takes guts. I hope you join me. $77, September 13th. You can sign up in the link over there. See you soon. I love you, unapologetically.